so that it will not bend or something on the delivery or get dented. Yeah, very nice. So that's the box. Now let's have another one, which is the, I think this will be the handle. Okay, this is called as model pusher handle, so that you can use it more nicely. Okay, so we can get, ooh, nice, man, very premium package. Okay, premium packaging. So this is okay. We need to turn this one to open it, so put it right there. So we need to open. Okay, we can get, okay, okay, so we can also use this. Okay, so where should I use it? So I can pull it out, so we can use it here. Am I right? So they have an instruction. You can twist the cup and the so okay. So here you can also, ooh, okay, so you can almost detach anything right here. I don't know if I can also get this one, but yeah, I don't want to damage it, but it's nice that it has this kind of, okay, so you can, okay, so you can loosen those parts in order to put these things, the engraver itself, here at the center, which you can see there's a hole right there, and if you tighten it, it will close the gaps, and if you loosen it, it will open the gaps that will let this one get in. So let's try to put it on the handle. Okay, so just be careful, because even it's 1mm, man, it's still sharp at the point. Oh yeah, it's sharp. So if you loosen it, you can drop it here. Let's see, open up. Okay, right there. So okay, and then let's make it, ooh, nice. And can we close it with the, okay, that's it. And if we need to use it, we just open it and use this as a guide. Very nice. Yeah, now I will not use a hobby knife in order to make some panel lines. Okay, so yeah, and I'm opening it because I will use this if I can use it with the new with the kit that I will build next. Okay, so yeah, very nice, man. So sorry, but yeah, this part right here will not be needed anymore because it will be put right here. But yeah, you know, but if you have another one or another chisel or engraver, you can use it to put it here so that you can protect